Hello beauties, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Today's video is all about using desi ghee for hair problems. I saw my mom pouring desi ghee on our hair every alternate days. In my childhood, I was hating it. But now I'm thanking my mom that she was doing it. That was her unconditional love. Now, ghee is something which is solid in normal temperature, so it's not easy to apply directly. So, don't skip the video. If you follow all the steps, you will see the results very fast, and you can also prevent all the problems that can bother you after applying it directly. Don't worry, steps are really very easy to follow and worth for extreme hair growth. Come, let's see what we need. First ingredient is obviously ghee, and second ingredient is sweet almond oil, castor oil, and olive oil. If you don't have sweet almond oil, you can also use vitamin E oil or vitamin E capsules, or you can use both if you have both of these ingredients. Come, let's see how to prepare it. Firstly, melt your ghee using double boiling method. Do not directly keep your ghee onto the flame. It may lose its good properties and nutrition. Now mix the other ingredients as per your hair problems. If you are dealing with dandruff and itchy scalp, you have to mix your ghee with vitamin E capsule or sweet almond oil. Add 1 vitamin E capsule into 2 tablespoons of ghee and 1 tablespoon of sweet almond oil. Apply it at night and keep it overnight. As your scalp is dry, it needs time to get nourishment, and then wash off the next morning. Make sure to wash your hair every alternate days, because dirty and oily scalp are usually more prone to dandruff and other infections. And if you have gray hairs, apply desi ghee with olive oil and set your hairs with hot towel for half an hour. If you are using ghee for dry, frizzy and dull hairs, you have to use ghee with lemon. It's a good conditioner. If you have alopecia like patches on your head, you have to use ginger juice with hot ghee. If you are dealing with psoriasis, you have to use tea tree oil with your desi ghee. If you have split ends, firstly trim your hair, then start using these remedies. Otherwise you cannot notice the difference. If you are dealing with hair fall problems, your hair are very thin, you can use castor oil with your desi ghee. This would condition your hair, make them soft, and soft hair are not prone to damage. It reduces hair fall and also reduce breakage of hairs. Let's see how to apply it. Firstly, detangle your hair before you applying it. Make sure your hair and your scalp is clean, or you have washed your hair a day before applying it. Otherwise it won't work and never give you best results. I suggest you to exfoliate a day before you apply it. If you saw my other videos, you must know that I always apply any mask after exfoliating my scalp to get best results and faster results. Divide your hair into two parts. Now take small sections of your hair, apply it on the tips of your hair first, then gradually apply on hair length and at last on the roots. After it, give a good massage to your hair. Don't use comb after applying ghee. Ghee is a combination of fats and protein. It has omega 3 and 9 fatty acids. It has vitamin A and E that prevent premature graying and frizz. It improves blood circulation, help in reducing hair fall, and it will ensure your scalp is well nourished. When I was struggling with extreme hair loss, I used to apply it once in a week and I got fastest results. After 5 or 6 applications, I saw my reduced hair fall. And if your hair are extremely damaged or thin, you can apply it twice or thrice a week. When your hair doesn't get enough nourishment or enough moisture, then it tends to be split its ends. It generally caused by heat and dust. My next video will be about what to eat for happy healthy hairs, but I'm telling you in this video also in brief that what should we do and what to avoid. Always use a serum after washing your hairs and drying them 70%. Always use mild shampoo and conditioner is mandatory. Trim your hair at least in 6 months. Now what to avoid? If you have oily scalp, do not apply it at night. Do not leave it overnight. Do not heat your ghee directly on the flame. Use double boiler always, and always use a fresh homemade ghee. Now stay hydrated and add enough protein, good fats to your diet. Add iron rich food to your diet, or you can also add supplements if you are 30 plus. If you have any queries, ask me in the comment section. If you want such more videos, subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Bye bye.